Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to show name on iPhone lock screen on iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on general. Locate and click on about. Click on name, then delete whatever you have here. Go ahead and type in your name. Now, once you type in your name, click on the check mark. Then you should see your name changed. Then again, swipe down the top left to enter into the lock screen. Press and hold the lock screen. Click on customize. Then click on add widget. Then locate your name and it's going to pop under battery status. You can even come to battery, then select it. Close that, close add widget. Then click on it again. If it is not coming up, go ahead and add other accessories. Then close it. Now click on done at the top right to save changes. Then click on lock screen again. Then you should see your name on your iPhone lock screen. You see that? So you can only do this on iOS 26 and that's it. So that's exactly how to show name on lock screen on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.